So to continue on David's presentation, I will just mention some procedural and practicalities aspect in relation to this sixth call for proposal. So first of all, to remind you about the key steps and more importantly, the timelines. I presented just before the break that we have tried to streamline the procedure. Here, the challenge has been that due to the importance of the call, the timelines have been really tightened. So they are very tight. However, we will have the same process as for call 5 and the usual call. So the deadline for the submission of the expression of interest is the 9th of July, midday. And this is important to remember because at midday, the system, the Sophia tool, which was presented by Anna, will close down. Then this will be followed by the review process, both remotely and the panel meeting by the independent experts, which will meet end of July. So by the end of July, beginning of August, the winning consortia will be, or the outcome of the evaluation will be known by all the consortium. Then the submission for this full project proposal will occur mid-October. And the aim is to finalize the whole process and to sign the grant agreement end of December 2012 so that the project can start running in 2013, beginning of 2013. In terms of the submission of the expression of interest, you have seen that the core topic text, as presented by David, as 2 topics, topic 1 and topic 2, and within topic 1, there are 2 subtopics. So an applicant consortium can apply for one of the subtopic or topic. However, if the applicant would like to submit for more than one, separate expression of interest have to be submitted for the relevant and each of the topic and subtopic applied to. In terms of the subtopic 1A, some point important to remember and to consider when preparing the expression of interest. The indicative budget for the beneficiaries is 5 million euros. The work package 1 will have an important role in this subtopic 1. It will be in charge of the open calls to include additional beneficiaries as needed for the conduct of the clinical trials. And this work package will be work directly as well with the similar work packages in the other topics of the program to ensure a cross-topic collaboration and dissemination of the information. The attention has to be paid as well on the expectation from the investigators and the sites which will form the network, the investigated networks, in terms of the clinical practices and to ensure a high-quality clinical and microbiology lab. This subtopic, so the applicant consortium applying here and who will be successful, will have to merge with the winning consortium for the subtopic 1B for preparing the topic 1 full project proposal. For the subtopic 1B, the key points to remember here is the indicative budget for the IMIGU beneficiaries, 88 million euros. And this amount includes the important part for the research on biomarkers and endpoint, and an important part as well for the subcontracting of a CRO. At the beginning of this project, 2 trials will be initiated, the work package 5A and 5C, and the additional trials 5B and 5D in the work packages will be defined later according to the milestone completion. And they might include additional partners selected by the open calls handled by the consortium with the IMIGU guidance. So this referred to the open call I was referring to the subtopic 1A on the work package 1. For these clinical trial centers to be involved in the subtopic 1B, it is important to ensure that the sites fulfill all the requirements which are specified in the code text. And this will be judged by the experts to ensure that there is compliance with the requirements mentioned in the topic text. So, of course, we expect that sites will follow the geographic distribution of MRSA, and I'm sure you know better than me the map of the distribution of MRSA. In terms of the topic 2, the points to consider is the indicative budget here for the IMI-GU is beneficiary 16 million euros. There are 8 work packages as presented by David. And one important aspect is the work package 8, which will lead as well the cross-topic collaboration and dissemination. So there is really a link between this work package 8 of topic 2 and the work package 1 of the originated from the subtopic 1A. So this is the link or graphic representation of all the different links between the different subtopic topic and the different work packages and the way this will operate. The important aspect is that all of them will have to contribute to the data sharing through the data hub. In terms of the evaluation and the ranking of the expression of interest, this review process will follow the same peer review as the call 5. However, for this specific call, we had to adapt the template for the expression of interest and the evaluation form to accommodate the specific case of clinical trial center. So as I said before, we need to ensure that the clinical trial center, which will be part of the subtopic 1B, fulfill the site requirements mentioned in the call text. So in the section of the partnership and the individual participants, each participant will have to show evidence that they can fulfill these requirements, and this will be looked at by the experts when reviewing the expression of interests. According to our rules, the evaluation panel may recommend to merge the first-rank consortia with the other applicant consortia for the preparation of the full project proposal. The first-rank expression of interest will be screened by the ethical experts to provide guidance on the key ethical questions to be addressed in the full project proposal, as I explained in the presentation before. For the full project proposal, so the first-rank consortia for subtopic 1A and 1B will merge and will be invited to develop with the EFPA consortium the full project proposal. Similarly, the first-rank consortium for topic 2 will be invited to prepare the full project proposal with the EFPA consortium. Then the full project proposal for topic 1 and topic 2 will be evaluated by the panel experts, so I included the ethical experts who will recommend for a go, no-go recommendation for funding the project to our IMI governing board. And following the governing board decision, the successful consortia will be invited to finalize the negotiation and to sign the project agreement and grant agreements. I will stop here this presentation, and of course we are here for further questions that you may have.